This is just AMZN for Thursday, November 7th, 2019. We had what looked like a bullish gap and go, gapping up above yesterday's high and put in a really nice area of resistance and support. And we opened up with a high wave candle, similar to the 3 minute, a little bit higher than that, but similar candle to what we saw in the 3 minute. Had an inside candle next and then started to break down. Retested, broke down some more. It's like, okay, this isn't really going bullish. And then all of a sudden you got 3 bullish candles in a row that push all the way back up past this level. And looking at this, it's like, man, it pushed past. And now all these bulls who are buying up here in these upper wicks are trapped. So it's like, okay, I'm going to wait. I'm not going to get in here bullish, let's wait. And, I've got the chart set up here for one particular reason. I'll get to that in the next candle. But it looked like it was starting to form a triangle. Some higher lows, some lower highs. I mean, aside from the first open here, but lower highs, higher lows. And then, if it's going to let me click, this candle came in. Very small candle, doesn't mean much. The volume spike. And I glanced at it at the chart and saw this volume spike. And I'm like, whoa, what is that? It's a huge amount of shares going bearish. If you zoom down to the 1 minute, it's trading right around 1803, and there's 88,000. And just the quick math on that, it's about $160 million. That's not money that I want to go against. So when that candle came in, I'm like, I'm looking for a place to go bearish. Let's see what we get. Bullish candle, okay, we're stair stepping. Good. Okay, we're starting to retest. What if we come back up right into the high of this, like we saw yesterday? What if we get right back into a high wave candle? Okay, here we come. There we go, right here. Get in bearish right here. We're making some lower highs, making some higher lows. With that volume spike, we should just collapse, right? No, it's going sideways. What's it been doing the last couple of days? Going sideways in the afternoon. Even this, it started to push down. It's like, okay, it's going. Nope, it's retesting. Comes right back up. It's like, really? Okay. So I'm in bearish. It's not doing anything. And right here, it's like, man, this is going sideways. This is rested here for too long. I'm just going to get out. It's got all this squeeze. It's like this, it's just not doing anything. I'm up a tiny bit on the position. It was making some pretty steady lower highs and started making some steady lower lows, and then did this. And now it's like here, it's like, I'm really zoomed in and thinking, okay, it's making a higher low than this. This is a place that it's probably going to move up and stop me out for a little bit of a loss, whatever it is. It's like, I'll just take a small gain. And then the next candle happened and I was already out. So I missed this. I missed all of this by literally a minute or two. So that's my lesson for today, that I missed all of that. I was in the 1785 puts, and I was in somewhere in here and just trading really small, trying to get better out of the money and getting in at a baseline here. And that candle came in and I was already out slightly, but I made a tiny bit, just from something really small. And then it ran without me. This right here would have been 5R. Up here would have been like 20R. So that's what I missed today. And I was kind of kicking myself. It's like, okay, I made the decision. I'm just going to get out. It was a small gain, and I've been trying to take some small gains and working on how this moves. When you're getting some really small candles, small range, out of the money. And all the while, it was really bugging me. It's like, it's going so slow. Like, that's what it's been doing the last couple of days. But the options just didn't seem right. Like, being in the 1785 put, and I'm only $15 away from it. Like, it actually got in the money right at the close, or in the last 5 minutes, It's like, I'm $15 away right here. This option should be worth more. That's what I was telling myself right here. And really, it should have been. It just, it seemed like market makers were keeping the price really small all through here, even though it was moving in that direction. Had a day and a half left, to get to this price, to be at the money. And it was still just worth, little more than $1 kind of thing, and that was really bugging me. And so when it started to make this higher low here, it's like, all right, I'm just going to get out, and I missed it. So that would have been like the trade of the year, trade of my life kind of thing. So I'm going to keep watching for these. I know what's going on with this kind of sideways inactivity. We've just been looking at that. We've seen it here, and we saw it here, and we saw it here, and we saw it here. It's just been going over here, and it's just been a lot of days of it. We didn't even get back up to this uptrend channel. We're making some nice lower highs. This is a bearish engulfing candle. So again, it's still setting up for a really nice flag. I just don't know when and if it's going to continue higher. So it totally could. We get, again, like I said, for today, bullish gap, above here. I would want it to run, but it didn't do that today. It pulled back even further. We have a squeeze forming. We've got a little bit of bearish momentum. We had lower volume the last 2 days. Now we got to pick up in volume. We could pull back. We would pull back a little bit more. Now we're really close to these highs or these closes up here. So maybe we pull back to the 21, maybe right into 1781. It's not that far away, and then do some sort of bouncing, or we just roll over from there. Because really, we shouldn't have been this high above this high already when we were way down here. So maybe it'll pull back further. I don't know, but I don't know that we're going to hit 1747 tomorrow. If we do, that's a great target. It's X marks the spot. We'll just got to see where we open up. So yeah, we'll still keep an eye on any more bearish move continuing lower, and really try and play it small and get some big reward out of it. So hope you can learn from my lesson today, and hope this helps. This is Justin AMZN. Thanks.